I'm pleased to introduce you to our latest Cyclone automatic textile printing carousel. Available in 3 different print formats: 45 by 50 centimetres, 50 by 70 centimetres and 60 by 80 centimetres. The machine can be built up to 14 colours, 16 stations in any of those formats. The Cyclone utilises servo control for both the index and the print heads, giving the best motion control. It enables us to print and cycle realistically at 1200 cycles per hour. I would like to demonstrate all the features of the print station. The squeegee and flood blade are tool-free removal and fitting. We have self-leveling adjustment on the flood blade and the squeegee. We have angle adjustment from 0 to 45 degrees, all tools free. The screen locates via plastic lugs. Sprung loaded to fit into place and then pneumatically locked. The head lifts and lowers completely pneumatically, making it very easy to access underneath the screen or to fit a flash cure or other ancillary equipment. Functions are all controllable on the front membrane switch. We have lift and lower of the screen. We have off contact adjustment, front and rear. We have micro registration. Front and back, at the front side to side, and also rear micro, left to right. Working in conjunction with a pneumatic clamped screen makes it very user-friendly to adjust. The print flood movement is servo-driven. The distance is controlled by simple adjustable plates. Adjusting the print stroke to what is required. Speed control for both print and flood. We can run it very slowly, we can run it very rapidly according to the ink and the printing required. All functions are controllable on the print head by the membrane switch. We have squeegee pressure regulator option independent to each head, or a single unit that will adjust all of the heads together. Squeegee pressure adjustment is very simple and easy just by rotating the 2 knobs, self-leveling, and exactly the same for the flood blade. The rear screen adjuster is fully adjustable for any size of screen. So even if you're doing a tiny job and want to use small screens, you can simply adjust the rear screen clamp device into position and lock it with the tool-free knobs. Sprung loaded screen holder, which when pneumatically locks, holds the screen very securely. Safety bars either side to prevent people walking in whilst indexing. We have optional screen LED lights fitted internally to the extruded print arms to enable you to see much clearer, adjusting registration by the micros. We have numerous flash cure options. All flash cures can fit in any position on the machine. Pneumatically lifting the head, they can go underneath, or they can be moved round to an empty station. The height is adjustable in every flash cure by the wheel here. We have this flash cure has 3 zones connected with a communication cable to the PLC of the Cyclone, which means that you program the time of the flash via the control panel. It will always work at 100%, but it's zoned front, middle and rear, so we can switch it according to the print area that is being cured. The Cyclone comes with various pallet options. You can go with standard aluminium pallets, solid aluminium pallets, or optional honeycomb pallets as we've got on this machine. There are children's pallets, adult pallets, sleeve pallets, tote bag pallets, various options. The clamping device is tools free. It's very quick, very fast and simple to adjust the pallets front to back or remove them and change them completely. There are 2 levers on the side of the extrusion that tuck away out the way of loading any shirts. By pulling them forward, you release the clamping mechanism. It enables you to slide the whole pallet off very simply. This, as I say, is a honeycomb lightweight pallet which works very well, particularly on big machines for much faster indexing. The pallet arm itself, is a bespoke extruded aluminium section with all the clamping mechanism built in. It is very rigid and strong. There is no pallet deflection whatsoever, making it a perfect printing base. Loading the pallets back on, again, just slide it into position. There is a grid at the back, so you can adjust it to where you need it to be. And then a simple clamp, front and rear, to lock it into place. It is now clamped firmly, tightly in position. There are many options that go with the Cyclone carousel. From bespoke pallets through to laser marking devices, positioning devices, as we've got illustrated here, various flash cures, hot air, infrared, recycling, many different types of flash cures and sizes and zones. There is a digital hybrid option that we produce ourselves that it can buy in 4 color or 6 color that replaces a print head. You take a print head off and the whole digital hybrid station will fit in. Again, that's available in 45-50, 50-70 or 60-80 centimetre print area. We have flock stations that can fit to any station. We have hot irons, rollers, many options as you would expect to go with an automated textile printer. The touchscreen interface has the usual functions expected: sample print, auto start, auto finish. The machine can be run in both anti-clockwise and clockwise directions. We have a rotivate program, so you can run the machine round 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 times for high build ink systems. We can run the machine in semi-automatic or fully automatic, semi with a foot pedal and a load pedal, pallet dwell, delay, double index, self-diagnosis. If the machine stops for any reason, it will automatically flag up and show you where the problem is and where you need to focus your attention to resolve it as quickly as possible.